Hello gems, my name is T. Welcome back to Gem City Budgets. In today's video, I am working in my holiday binder with $50 in prop money. And at the end of the video, I will share some goodies I got for from Black Friday shopping. So stay tuned for that excitement. All right, let's get started. Let's go. We is getting close to this Christmas. All right, so this 7th challenge here is created by Snow Garner 307. This size says $100. So let's scratch this last number. Ooh, an 8. Perfect. So 5, 6, 7, and 8. And I decided to do this side, and each one is $1. So let's go ahead and roll. Oh, should we get risky? You know, see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Shall I roll? Let's roll a D12 to see how many we gonna do. Should we finish this up? I think I should just finish it. Look, I got 10. Let's see. Oh, I don't want to color all these in on the camera, but I guess I can. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And that leaves me 3. If I have $3 left, then I will come back and finish this off. Are you guys ready for Christmas? I'm not. But that's okay. That's okay. I'm not going to color all these in. I'm just going to I'm not going to be fancy with it, shall I say. Let's do... It's like everyone's videos I have watched, everyone has the sniffles. And now I have the sniffles. It's crazy, this weather change. It's like, especially here in Ohio. I promise, it's like I want the fall weather, not the winter weather already. Oops, I didn't mean to do that one. Oh well. All right, let's do one more. And I'm filming this, what's today? Thursday. And they talk about we supposed to get snow tonight. So that's crazy. Did I do 10 or 11? I don't remember. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yeah, I think I did 10. Okay. So I'm putting 10, 15, 16, 17, $18. And we'll come back and finish this if we have some money left, and then we will count it up, and then that's the end for Christmas. And I'm not sure, I don't know what next week's video is going to entail, but we shall see. And this is a budget with Carly. My Bells Done jingle without coffee says $75. This is saving for my birthday. So let's just scratch one. Let's go here. And that is a 6, 5, 6. Can we do like 3 of them? Okay, 3. That's cool. So let's put these. Oh, what I'm doing, Lord, see? What am I doing? So 1, 2, and 3. And let's do one more. Let's do this side. Ooh, yeah. Stop right there. What's this, $75? So let's put $1 back and put $10. So that is, let's see, 5, 10, 11, 12, 13. Oh no. 5, 10, 15, 16, 17, $18. $18 is going into this one. And I got 1, 2, 3, 5 more scratches. That's perfect. And let's go ahead and do, I don't want to start a new one. What we got left? 5. We still got a lot of money left though. So I'm not trying to start any new ones because I want to start fresh for the new year. So let's go ahead and do this roll and save here. That sounds like a great idea. So let's roll a D6. This is created by Bookish Mama Budgets. So let me get a marker. Let's do some rolls. So that is 3, 5. So that's 8. Where I'm at. See, 5, 6, 7, 8. So I want $3 to finish the other one. So I will have $3 left. So yeah, let's go ahead and put 3 here and we'll finish that one. Look at that. So let's see how much this roll and save got us. Or we just use it as a catch-all. And this is just a buffer for the holidays. So if I didn't save enough for a category, I have a buffer for that. So this roll and save 10, 15, 20, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, $28. Perfect. So $28 for that. And let's go back up to Christmas. And let's put that $3 into here. And then I will count this up and see how much did this whole challenge save us. So just 1, 2, 3. Perfect. So like I said, this side was $100. Let's see. All right. So we got 50, 70, 90, 100, 5, 10, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So $118. Yes. So I would add that to, so plus $118. Ew, I don't have my calculator. So let's see, that would be 9, 7, 3. So that'd be $379. Perfect. And this is an addition to, let me see if I can, sorry for the reach. Let me see. All right, let's see here. So that is addition to $614. So that is perfect. And I don't have a calculator to add that, but I will put that in here. So my goal was around $1,000. So perfect. All right, gems. Let me go ahead and get what I need to show you guys what I got for some small shops, Etsy shops for Black Friday. Let's move some stuff out the way. Alright. Not this chair squeaking. Oh, goodness. That's embarrassing. Alright, so we have Dreamy Budgets and the Thriftist Sewist. So let's start with Dreamy Budgets first. Alright. So first we have the free gift just for you. And the first gift here is this nice little yellow challenge here. It says $120. That is cute. And a little dice here. And I've been having this, I promise, in my cart. And I'm like, oh, I need this. It's so cute. So what I got was, oh, this is her little thank you card reminder. It's okay to have days where the only thing you do is survive. Ooh, amen to that. So her little thank you card here. And that's her handles, Dreamy Budgets. And then I ordered these large and in charge why I keep saying dice? These are not dice. These are dominoes. These dominoes they are so freaking cute. I just love this. I can't wait to use this for next year. But when I was younger, I was known as the queen of dominoes. I had someone who taught me how to play dominoes, and I used to be with them older people sitting at the table playing dominoes, and I became the queen of dominoes at a young age. Yes, I love me some dominoes. All right, next is a Thriftless Sewist. I love this. Ho, ho, ho. Thankful for you. Happy holidays. Okay. All right. And as you see, I already done tore into this. First, let's start into this game here. Oh, no, let's do this one. Let's do this because this got her card in here. Let me open this up. Ooh, so we got some cute little stickers here. Tease the seasons. And then we have a little scratch here. That is cute. And then we have her card here. That is cute. And her handles. So if you want to screenshot that. All right. And then, ooh, we got $100 prop money. I like that. That's so sparkly and cute. And then we have this game. I freaking love this game. I bet this is another thing. Most of the things you will see, because I went kind of crazy on Black Friday. I gave myself a budget because, you know, it's a new year, refresh, new goals. And this is another game I've been wanting to get it. And I was like, I got to get it. So it is the color challenge. I forgot what she calls this. Forgot. But yeah. And I can't wait to play this. And it comes with the dice here. So we will add this into the rotation. And then we have, I love this. And this one came with the dice, some dice also. And these are just different cards. You can play with the dice. So you would just pick a card, boom. It says add it. So you roll 5 dice, add up the total, and save that amount. Ooh, that can get a little spicy. But she gives you some examples for a low income, so don't be stressed out. Just make it your own. So yeah, so I got these cards, which are just some nice little dice, little games. Cute, cute, cute. Probably add that into my debt binder. But yeah, so that is what I got in so far. So as things come in, I will share with you guys what I purchased from the Black Friday sales. If you guys have any recommendations or any shops that you think I should try or look into, let me know down below. Or if you have a small business or a shop or anything that you want me to check out, let me know down below also. Thank you everyone for your love and support. If you want to continue to follow me on this financial journey, please subscribe to the channel or share with a friend. And remember to stay magical. Bye, gems.